I always end up here most of the times at this gasoline station. There's the Honda, and where this motorcycle came from. Test, mic test, mic testing, mic. 1 2 1 2. I just hope this mic sounds okay. It's not so muffled. Hey guys, I am on VTC number 1. Again, I swapped out VTZ number 2, and every time I swap these two out, it's swapping it for the better. You know, it's I'm doing something, well, not me. Jacob, the mechanic of Honda, my very trusted mechanic, is doing something good with the bike. And it's just nice that, you know, it always comes from the shop. And yeah, so, well, of course it's not nice because you're just putting money, but you know, you're putting money into your bike. I'm thinking I'm not putting money into the shop, I'm putting money into my bike. So for this episode, I would like to talk about the upcoming Motovloggers Meetup Davao, Mindanao leg. I'm running out of time. It's this coming March 17th. Today is March 9th. So I roughly have about 8 days to go. But there's some good news regarding that one. Really nice news. And I'm just blown away by the support. Though, most notably, Yamaha Motorhub. So for this upcoming event, I've already sent out some feelers or letters to most of the, well, to be honest, there's 5 of them. Number 1 that I gave to was Kawasaki Wheel Tech, my good friends at Kawasaki Wheel Tech. Then I went to Yamaha Motorhub in Ulas. I also tapped my good friend at Reefside Artworks. Reefside Artworks is, well, it's getting its traction, and it's proudly made here in Davao City, surf brand. And my good friend Upao Jimenez manning the helm, and with his partner, which should be left unnamed for good reason. But yes, Reefside Artworks is in on the Motovloggers Meetup and is giving away some freebies. And Yamaha Motorhub, it would fall as a major contribution and would be a major sponsor for this event. Sir Eric of Yamaha Motorhub has been kind enough to be providing us the venue for this meetup. It will be at the Yamaha Motorhub Ruby Showroom there in Ulas. It's just before the bridge. I'll put a map for that. So guys, everyone is slated to attend in the Motovloggers Meetup. I am inviting everyone. It's not just the vloggers. It's gonna be all the riding public here in Davao City, regardless of your motorcycle. If you have a scooter, come over. If you have a big bike and you just want to go around on a Sunday and hang out with us there in Yamaha Motorhub's Cafe 83, come over. Sir Eric has assured me that they'd be handling the food for the bikers that's gonna be attending. And that's a big thing. I'd like to extend a big thank you to him for the support. I mean, when I spoke to him, you'd clearly notice, you'd clearly get the impression that this guy is a motorcyclist himself. And all he would like to do is for his company, Motorhub, the LYR group, to be supportive of the motorcycling scene here in Davao City. Thank you so much, sir, especially coming from me. So for this video, all I wanted to say is I would like to invite everyone here in Davao City this Sunday, March 17th, 7 o'clock in the morning. It's gonna be our meetup time, and our meetup place is Yamaha Motorhub there in Ulas. We're gonna do a meet and greet. That's already 7 o'clock in the morning. After that, we're gonna do a short ride around the city. Keep in mind that it's gonna be Araw ng Davao on the day before. That's March 16th, Saturday. That's gonna be the proper Araw ng Davao. The theme for this ride mostly is well, motovloggers in the community, and we're gonna be featuring Davao, of course, and what's up with Davao City at that date. So after that short ride, we're gonna be doing the vlog there properly. We're gonna be here in the downtown area. I think we're gonna be dispersed. There's no set route for us. It's gonna be just everyone for himself going around Davao City doing the vlogging. If you want to go in groups, that can also be done. No problem. We can also ride together if that's the case. But what I'm trying to say is we make our own vlog that very same day, because after that we meet up at Yamaha Motorhub again and have our lunch. The lunchtime, that's gonna be the camaraderie lunch for everyone, getting to know everyone, and then asking everyone regarding what's happening with the Davao City motor vlogging scene. So lunchtime is gonna be handled by our friends at Yamaha Motorhub. And then you can still hang out, check out the bikes at the Yamaha Motorhub if you want to vlog about it. And of course, we're gonna be editing our videos. I'm not sure if some vloggers don't edit their video and they can post on it. They can post it on that very same Sunday. But the thing is, after the editing, all the motovloggers that have been present on that date, I'm gonna have a poll on who gets to have a prize. It's like a prize for the first moto vlogging prize. Basically what the poll would be doing is the viewers are gonna be voting who's had the best entertaining video or vlog for that event. It's kind of simple judging. I'll leave the viewers to choose what they want, and of course I'm gonna be sending the prize over to whoever gets the most votes, whoever gets the highest in the poll. Pretty basic, yeah? So it's, once again, it's this coming March 17th, a Sunday. March 16th is araw ng Davao. And really, I just like to invite everyone so that you guys can participate on this first Motovloggers Meetup for Davao City, Mindanao area. Calling everyone, not just the motovloggers, all motorcyclists of all brands, all kinds, scooters, underbones, cafe racers, big bikes even. It's just a chill ride through downtown or Davao City. Motovloggers would like to be getting to know everyone, especially me. I'd like to do that. You know, just getting to know everyone would be nice. So once again, this is just an update on the upcoming Motovloggers Meetup here in Davao City. So please come over, check out the scene. You guys participate. And get ready for some questions from the motovloggers, because that's what we do. We ask questions. And have fun while we're doing it. So as always, this has been Django Moto 1911. Hit me on the comments if you have any questions regarding the motovlog. And if you're not gonna be on the YouTube, message me on Facebook, Django Moto 1911, and I'll be answering all the things